going down into the dungeon. People that were stuck in the dungeon drew these ships. It's pretty good artistry. That's cool. Very top of the fort with the old lighthouse, they got it blocked off. You can't get to it. You can see this big, huge crack going right up the side of it. It's probably getting ready to fall in if they don't fix it. The entrance to San Juan Harbor, right here at the fort. Look at this place. It's crazy incredible how they built it. And the last shot I just took was from right there. Top of the fort, the entrance to San Juan Harbor right here. There's the other side. Here's the side right here with the fort. And Dead Reckoning is right there. I love how all the streets are here in San Juan. They're this old blue brick. San Juan has a beautiful old world feel. It's everything about this town. It's classic architecture. And it's built to take it. Oh my gosh, these roads are just so cool. This road comes all the way down to the water through this big, huge gate. And they have a boardwalk that goes all the way around downtown. There's Dead Reckoning on the left.
Yeah.
And this boardwalk is pretty nice. Goes all the way up and around, and then around the point around the old fort.
Our Spanish isn't very good, so mine's not as good.
Here comes the banana boat. Literally the banana boat. Goodbye, banana boat.